morning, everybody. This is your Euro USD setups for today. So, where do we start? So, last week was pretty much a big down week. So, bit of a pin bar rejection. Big thing as a crossover the faster moving averages, oscillators pointing up, and we sort of on the 150 EMA at the moment. But if you just look left, look at all these tails that you have here. So this 108.945 to probably 109 dead is kind of the area that sellers have been seeing a good opportunity. So at the moment, this is a higher low from the previous low on the weekly, and now we need to get a weekly close above this area before we get anything. So we haven't got it yet, but a bit of chaos that is unfolding here. Now we are waiting for a story on interest rates. We are waiting for elections. We are waiting for a lot of things. Nothing really is materializing. So you can see this massive tail here. It's almost a pin bar. The body would be, I'd like the body a bit smaller, but anyway, the tail is longer than the body. So in my eyes, that classifies it as a pin bar. And look at how we found two pin bars to the bottom off that level, and that level is 108.823. Look at my oscillators, they have separated, they haven't crossed over yet, but they have separated. So this could be an area of support. When we start drilling down through the time frames, the 3 hours starts looking like a bit of a flag for another leg down, and if that happens, your target is going to be in the region of 108.457. So lots of chaos happening in this area where we are, and as we drill down through the time frames, you'll see what starts to become clear. There is a lot of support here at 108.823. Look left, any one of these tails would offer support. And Friday's price action was really big down, big up, big down, big up, and moving back up again. But now look at this, oscillators pointing to the upside, but starting to look like they roll for a potential move to the downside. I think this is going to be volatile today. I don't think there's any catalyst that's going to drive it. So we are hovering here in amongst the 150 EMA on the hour. And as you drill down to the 15-minute, you start seeing a different picture unfold, which is moving averages crossover. We're still respecting them, but this is the area we need to recapture. So treat Friday's price action as a range. So you are in a range at the moment. Bottom of the range is the lows on Friday, which is 108.769. So short should only come into play from a break and retest of that. And the top of the range at the moment is right here at 10. Let's just go at 109. So 109 needs to break. You need to build a base at this level, and that would trigger the long. So you need to treat Friday as a range. So a break retest is a long, and a break and retest of the down of the lows of Friday is a short. Sweet, short and sweet. Sorry, not sweet and simple, but short and sweet. That is the only two opportunities that you have here. I don't think there's going to be much catalyst today. I think you're probably going to range today anyway. So unless something happens in the world which drives us. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.